Bro. Bro. Me and the girl no in no contact, bro. Me and her no in no contact, bro. Me and her no in no contact, bro. Me I tell you, bro. I'm gonna put that for my life. Me and her no in no contact, bro. Our brother them done. Our brother them done set me up, done threaten me. And me not take threat light. Me not take threat lightly, bro. Me not dare on her, bro. And me no want dare on her. So, as me say again, without no badge, bro, no cancer people, bro. I people them with badge, we are gift, bro, are them cancer people, bro. You know what is cancer, youth? Well, I'm upon life. Can't talk now. Bro, me and her no in no contact, bro. Me and her no in no contact, youth. Me and her no in no contact, bro. Bro, she not in her, bro. If she did in her, you know, who do the hear her, bro? It's a small room. It's a small room, bro. It's a small room. Nobody no in her, bro. Nobody no in her, bro. Charging. Nobody no in her. It's a small room, bro. Nobody no in her, bro. Me no know if I the same hotel or same or bro. Me no know, bro. Cause me no in no contact with her, bro. Me should even chat to me I go. That still no still come link up with slime. Me and slime I come from the bum buckler dog. Me don't know if you can see the whitening on my nails. I don't know if you can see it. You see it. Dog, bring me some if you go relax to mine. Dog. Dog make me do me hair also. You see it, but me say, no white woman do me hair. And him go take long. I don't know if you do it. You see it. Yeah, me go in a spa. Me go in a spa, yes. Me I'm gonna go in a spa, man. You see it, the dad say, yo, Cause dog, been in a situation I've been in a dog. Cause same girl fuck up my meds, you know, bro. You see it? And she fuck up my meds, dog. You see it? Can't just, me nah just run back, me can big up. Me, bro, bro, me nah, bro, me nah go back in that same energy there, bro. Last night me ended like, bro. Whole heap of feelings a slap me out. Everything a slap me at once, dog. You see it? A slime, TJ, and blood clot bolo. They on the phone, dog. I try to cheer me up, youth. You see it? Man, me did a saw like a ball, me did one ball, youth. You hear that woolly, bro? All I feel in them just start slap me, bro. Me I tell you, youth. And what's my charmer, bro? Use against me, bro. Feelings real, dog. You see it? And now I get the chance to do that again, bro. So, you don't know why since she come over here for, you know. Cause all of that love that we did have for, you know, it gone. It gone. I mean, he's not a fool. I mean, I tell you that. I tell you, you see who in our group, me not disrespect you, but see who in our group, me and her will never. We can't go be the same, bro. Me no want no more disrespect. Show your realness and take it for granted, bro. Me I hear some girl in a fucking comment. I come talk about FABBI. About FABBI did something for my career too. What did she do? All the things she make me happy. What did she do? And me been a lose my way. So we not talk about. Me been known already, bro. What the fuck we not talk about? Something really wrong. Something wrong with you, bro. Something must wrong with you, bro. Bro, me been big. So I lose focus now because I could have bigger, bro. Remember every morning in the youth, and me usually open TikTok, you know, bro. Me usually open TikTok, bro. Remember that. Remember say me put in my own work, bro. You see it? Someone don't want to feel like son of girl help me youth. That me make you know I don't give a fuck if you say I want disrespect her, bro. Cause when me did a run joke, I never want to take it as joke. So I don't give a fuck who want to say me disrespect her. Me feel a way and I go talk how me feel. She's like a stranger to me now. I tell her that. Can't. I go learn the harder way. Yeah? I go learn the harder way. And no cause I feel like I get gift and I fall up in a ranking. And I saw it work. At time it take. I not pray for nobody downfall. Nobody can get fit take disadvantage on me again, bro. Me I tell the youth. And me I say it from my heart. You see me I say Layla? Uno try with that girl. Uno try. TJ try with that girl. Me try with that girl. Because if I any other man, them left that girl, bro. You see it? And my sister wanna take my kindness for weakness, bro. Wanna start use as, bro. The vibe I usually go on, bro. Now get it, bro. I'm not hear from you youth. Miss Sierra call me today. I'm in a answer, no call. No call me no answer youth. I don't want to hear from you. And I didn't even block you, you know. I didn't even go block you. I go left my page open. I go left my contact them open. So you can see me I win without you know. Show no so me never need you know. Remember say I'm me this you know. Remember say me did turn. Remember say me did there by myself you know you. No, me no want to no feel like say. Uno make me there with me the youth. Not do that. I fight for me the youth. And I share what me have with uno youth. And I take me for pussy dog. And some of my girl them where I say a slime if you go there with or a slime one there with. Girl gonna go suck out on a big pussy mother now too. Suck out on a mother now. All if me wrong. Right? Slime I make me know. Slime now run me out. Slime now say youth. Slime now pack up him thing them and run me. Slime now use me charm upon me. I what day me get angry. Me use when I saw where slime when me know so I got hurt so me use it upon him. You see it? It come like I calm at this because me feel how I feel now. You see it? And me take me wrong, bro. Me tell the dog in front time face say, bro, me wrong and that would have never happen again, youth. You see it? That would have never happen again, youth. Bro, slime are the best thing ever found in my life, youth. Today me and slime a reason. Slime tell me straight up, slime say, youth, you are part of my journey. And I respect for what you do for me. And I praise you, and I praise them and I praise me in a youth. And I praise them and I praise me in a. The man show the man show me say appreciate what me do for him, bro. And not me alone do something for him do something for me too. Slime do something for me too, bro. Hear that? Cause certain things that me don't know, slime know. And certain things where slime don't know, me know. As me see that, me give dog a big fat hug and kiss. Anyways, but yeah, as me I say, you see it. And now go make me feel how me did feel 2 nights ago, bro. Now go make me feel so. This not healthy for me, bro. This not healthy for me, youth. And when you see something good, when you see 2 friends are good friend, bro, when you don't try, why the fuck you not always a try separate them, bro? What the fuck do you as Jamaicans, bro? Bro, man, I like when we in a youth. Man, I like how you turn more while, bro. You have some fuck up ways about in a youth. You know, see something going good, bro. You know, see something going good, bro. I wanna rather divide it more than make it elevate, bro. You know, if it top youth, you know, pussy, Jamaicans, you know if it top it youth. Stop trying to separate people, youth. Slime a real G, youth. Slime a real G, dog. You hear that? Coco.